There is one quality that some clients have that presents an obstacle to finding a good attorney and probably presents an obstacle in many other aspects of life. And that's not realizing that perfect is the enemy of good so often. These are the same clients that act like they're the center of universe and their case is the only one that matters and their case is the only one that should matter to any attorney or any court. Well, guess what? It never does. Any lawyer you will work with is handling many cases at the same time. Any judge in any court handles many dozens of cases at the same time, and your case is just another thing on their docket on which they will spend a few minutes whenever they're looking at it. Looking for an attorney who will drop everything and who will focus on your case and your case only isn't realistic and isn't necessary unless you're willing to hire that lawyer to work for you full time and pay their full time monthly or annual salary. Again, this is not necessary. Do not let the idea of perfect prevent you from having good enough representation for your case. This applies to handling cases as well. Most cases are not perfect. There is evidence that will make your case stronger, and there will be other evidence that will present challenges. If this wasn't the case, there would be no lawyers. All cases would just settle automatically by themselves if things were that absolute and that black and white. But they're not, and it's okay. The idea is not to have or prove a perfect case. The idea is to have good case enough to take your shot at a settlement, at mediation, at arbitration, or in court, to take a good enough shot to try to prevail and to do your best to win. When you, after assessing your chances of victory, you come to the conclusion with your attorney that your chances are good enough to justify pursuing that case.